The winner of the Packing Room Prize 2026 is Sean Layh of his portrait of Jacob Collins.
Thank you. It was amazing enough to be selected as a finalist in the Archibald. It's surreal to win the Packing Room Prize.
The Packing Room Pickers are the installation crew here at the Art Gallery of New South Wales. And then come Archibald season, we transform into the Packing Room Pickers.
Then we all come together on the last day, on the Friday, and we literally have an old tissue box. And everyone writes a number, puts it in, and they vote for it. And this year, Sean got the most votes by far.
Sean's done a fantastic job, not only in composition, but technical skill. It stood out to us immediately. You don't need any words for this picture. It has such a strong story behind it. It's not so much about Jacob as an actor, but Hamlet as a character.
The work itself, I've come to understand it as a double portrait. It is a portrait of Jacob Collins, the British-Australian actor, but it's a portrait of him portraying Hamlet. How I got to meet Jacob was going to see a performance of Hamlet. The whole ensemble were fantastic, and Jacob in that title role really carried it, and it left a really strong impression on me. So I reached out to him and said, look, I'm a painter. I would love you to reprise your role as Hamlet for a piece. But just to try to make it even more enticing, I said, like, oh, maybe, you know, a painting like this could be eligible for the Archibald. My reaction when I found out that I had won the Packing Room Prize, it was shock. I don't think I really understood it at first. The reason it's meaningful is its recognition at home. And I've only been back in the arts for 5 or so years, but a lot of the attention so far has come internationally. And to be not only accepted into the Archibald, but then to receive the Packing Room Prize as judged by a group of artists is just really satisfying.
Thank you very much. This is one of the great honours of my professional life, so thank you for giving it to me.